Hello YouTubers, this is my first unboxing of the EK DDC Heatsink housing in black. Now this is for the Laing DDC type pumps, which includes the M35X, the 355 and the 350. I happen to be using it for my old 355. It's a couple of years old. Now this replaces the plastic housing that surrounds this DDC5 pump. Okay, let's get to opening. The box comes in their CSQ style, which you probably don't care about. Okay, it is the instruction manual. Set that for side later. Hardware, Allen key, screws, miscellaneous. Set that aside. And here it is. Nice weight to it. Kind of heavy. It's made of aluminum. Alright, let's cut this up. Okay. Nice shine to it. Very nice. Comes in a nice padded box. Let's put this back. Take out the very cheap plastic housing of my MCP 355. Gotta keep that O-ring. Okay, basically it just simply goes on like that, and all I have to do is install the hardware onto whatever top I use. Now I had a good old Petrus top from years back, but now I will be replacing it with a DDC X-Res 100 CSQ. I'll do that unboxing later on, but this is basically a reservoir in the top. Now this is to cool down. Now this EK DDC heatsink is to cool down this pump because they tend to run hot, and I mean mine has run pretty hot, but it's never failed on me. So when they say the DDC pumps fail, I think it blow it out of proportion, because this thing is, I've had this 355 for a good 5 years and it's never failed on me. But I left Watercooling a long time ago, so, and I'm just coming back. This is going into a this is going to a inside a compact splash small form factor build. That's why I need to keep a small profile pump, and this is perfect. This housing is definitely a little bit, well, it's about the same size, but plastic versus aluminum. Now this heatsink retails for $23.95, which pretty good price. And yeah, I mean, there's really not much more to say about it except it looks good. Okay, now that's it. Okay, this is the hardware that comes with the DDC heatsink. It's one thermal pad, 4 bolts to attach to the top, 4 small screws to attach from the base, and basically 4 rubber anti-vibration standoffs. So basically the gist of it is that you take this standoff and you screw it in place to one of the bolts, and basically you're going to screw it to the heatsink, and it's going to attach to the block. And once it attaches to the block, you're going to screw one of these small screws, attach it to whatever base you want. You don't need to use these, but it's up to you. And of course, EK includes a Allen key for the screws. The dermal pad goes between the heatsink and the pump. And that's about it. Very heavy, much heavier than I anticipated. It's all aluminum, and it's a very thick aluminum, and yeah, very high quality. Now, do you need this? No, but is it nice? Yes. It's for me, it's mostly for aesthetic reasons, but who doesn't want their DDC to run a little cooler? And that's it for my video review.